Visual Studio Code allows you to select any code that you want and wrap it with an HTML element using Emmett. So what you do is you select the text that you want or the code that you want to wrap, and then you want to bring up the command palette. So on a Mac, it's Command-Shift-P. On a PC, it's Control-Shift-P, or you can hit F1. For me, I have to hold down the function key and hit F1. That brings up the palette. Then you type in the words wrap, and you should find the Emmett wrap with abbreviation. You click that, and then you just type the element that you want to wrap around the text that you have selected. So I'm just going to wrap this in a paragraph tag, and then you hit enter or return. And so you can do that on, anything, any HTML tag, function F1, Emmett, and I might just add this to my commands. And then this one, I'm going to make an H2. There you go. Hope this was helpful. Thank you.